Good morning, student. In session 4, that is chapter number 5, skills for interviews, we are going to discuss group discussion. So already we have seen what is group discussion, structured group discussion, unstructured group discussion, when GD actual starts, which phases are there. So that things we have already covered in a previous session. Also the sitting arrangement for the group discussion, it is also one of the important one that also we have discussed in earlier session. So now we are going to see the various types of the group discussion. So let us see. So here we are going to discuss difference between group discussion, panel discussion and debate. So whenever we are going to think about that the group discussion, so group discussion is nothing but that the decided prior to the discussion on a topic. So GD is free flowing of ideas, opinion, knowledge and information about a given topic. So the topic may be known, unknown to the participant. GD is usually not very systematic, and the participant, whenever you get that the opportunity, so there is no any always that the opportunity to participate in a GD. A GD topic has two sides. You may have prior to speak for both the sides, but you may choose to support only one side of them. So you are judged based on your communication skills as well as that the knowledge about that the GD and current affairs regarding that the GD topic. So this is nothing but the group discussion, already we have discussed. So let us differentiate with that the panel discussion. So next is nothing but the panel discussion. So panel discussions are organized for benefits of the audience. So those participating in the panel discussion, that is panelizer, are experts on topic of panel discussions. So this picture shows that the panel discussion, which is benefits for the audience. So panel discussion are nothing but there are discussion on topic which is panelizer or expert can talk on this topic. So they throw light on different aspects of the topic of panel discussion. There are judicious mix of people would have make the panel discussion fruitful. Panel discussion are very popular in TV. So a panel discussion usually has an anchor or a moderator to take the panel discussion in a right direction. So whenever we are going to think about the panel discussion, so the panel is nothing but the different peoples are collectively make one panel. So in that various expertise from the various field or different fields members are there in that the panel. So he or she or the different panel members can focus on the on that topic in a different manner. So audience also one of the active part of the panel discussion. Then next is nothing but the debate. So debate during the debate, the participant take a stance either in a favor or the either in a favor of the given topic or against it. So debate is nothing but the between the two persons. So in debate, both content and delivery method are important. So debates are governed by certain rules. In a debate, each speaker has to convincing prove his or her points in the stipulated time. So they have to convenience opinion or stand with in favor of that topic or against with that topic in front of audience, and they have to follow the certain rules, and they have to follow maintain the time period. So within that time period they have to justify the topic. The next is there are types of group discussion. So topic based group discussion, so in that factual topic based group discussion, abstract topic based group discussion on controversial topics, or maybe the case based group discussion. So which type of that the topic is given, according to that group discussions are categorized. Then there are certain do's and don'ts while you are going to face actual group discussion. So here they are listed. Sit alert, so don't be lethargic. Dress appropriately, so don't shabbily dressed. Start at the earliest, so don't be quiet for long. Make eye contact with everyone, don't make eye contact with audience. Smile a while and don't laugh. Listen carefully, don't speak continuously. Nod sometimes, do not nod too much. Have pleasant experience, don't frown. Exude confidence, don't be timid and shy. Have composed attitude, don't shy attitude. Be assertive, don't be aggressive. Show interest and don't be lackadaisical. So in this session we have learned that the group discussion, how it is, and how we have to follow that the importance of the group discussion. Thank you.